Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Jaiswal and you're watching lemondefrancais. This is basically a unique platform which helps you to learn French easily. Even if you are a beginner or you have started learning French somewhere else, but you need practice and you have to recall all French words because we are not familiar with them. So let me tell you, to begin any sentence, basically we need subjects. Subjects in case like sometimes we need some noun or pronoun. So today I'm going to let you know about the nominative pronouns in French. Let me tell you, in French, as usual in English, they are nominative pronouns. I hope you understand. Like nominative pronouns are basically the pronouns which are used to initiate the sentence, means which are used in place of subject. In English, nominative pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And sometimes we use the term one as well. So let me tell you, like what do we call it in French especially? In French, the words are I. In French, we call it je. Je. So if you have to speak out a sentence like I speak French, so in French we call it je parle français. Je parle français. The next nominative pronoun is you. Listen, you varies, especially in French, because they are two different words. In English, we don't understand, even if we go for the formal or informal. Like for formal and informal, we call it you only. But in French, they are two different words. In French, basically, we call it tutoyer et vous voyez. So the first term for informal you, we use the term tu. Tu. So for example, if you have to say it to anybody, like who is quite younger than you, like you should stay here. So the sentence formation would be tu dois rester ici. Tu dois rester ici. Tu dois rester ici. And for the formal one, we call it you have to stay here or you should stay here. So the sentence formation would be vous devez rester ici. Vous devez rester ici. Vous devez rester ici. So in French, for informal you, we use the term tu, and for the formal one, we use vous. I hope that's quite clear. Let's move to the next word, that is he. In French, he is considered like il. Il. Like for example, if you have to speak out a sentence like he speaks English, so in French we call it il parle anglais. Il parle anglais. Il parle anglais. The next word is she. What do you call she in French? It is elle. Elle. Well, that you need an example as well. Let me just add an example to make you understand. Like for example, she talks to me. So the sentence in French would be elle me parle. Elle me parle. Elle me parle. Let's go to the next nominative pronoun. It is we. What do you call we in French? It is nous. Nous. Like for example, if you have to speak out, like we live in Delhi. So the sentence would be nous habitons à Delhi. Nous habitons à Delhi. Nous habitons à Delhi. The next word is il and elle. What are those? Basically, in English, it doesn't vary for the masculine plural or the feminine plural. They is a common term which can be used for male and female as well. But in French, it varies again. In French, for the masculine plural, we use the term il. Il. The sound is so similar like il and il, but the spelling is different. For he, we use il, I-L, but for the plural, we use I-L-S. So it is il and il. But for the feminine plural, the term is L. The similar sound like L, L, but there is the difference of S. In the plural one, we use an additional S over there. So I hope you understood all these concepts well. You can repeat after me once more. Je means I. Tu means you. Il means he. Elle means she. Nous means we. Vous means you, especially the formal one. Il means they, especially male or masculine I'm talking about. And the last one is elle for the feminine plural. I hope you understood all these concepts, so stay tuned with us for more videos. Thank you.
I hope you liked the video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And to get notification, click on the bell icon.